Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing part 2 of turning the shed into a paint booth. What we're going to do first is we're going to take everything back out of the shed again. We are going to get wire brush on my drill, and we're going to attack all the surface rust, get rid of all that, getting ready for the rust converter. Once the rust converter's on there, we are going to get everything else ready to seal up. So I did get some gutter silicone, any gap I find, just to reduce the water. So we'll get straight into it. All right, so the first bit's done. She is all cleaned out again. So you can see all the dirt and stuff we're going to pressure clean out today. Especially down here's a hole we're going to seal back up. And I reckon there's a hole down here as well. Overall, the rust inside isn't too bad. Maybe that corner down there could use some work. Definitely that one. That one appears to be okay. And that corner looks like it gets a little bit dirty in there. But the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get the wire brush and start getting rid of that surface rust. We'll go work from the outside in, and we'll get into it. Alright, so the outside is all sanded down, and now we'll just move on to the inside. There's really not much to do. It's usually around the bottom where the water actually sits, but it shouldn't take me too long, and it's really just down that back corner down there. Now that I've sanded all the rust, I am going to just give it a little whipper snip up just to get rid of all the edges before I pressure clean everything. So let's see if she starts first time. So now I've whipper snipped everything on the shed. She is ready to go with a pressure wash. So set that up here and we'll start pressure washing the outside. All right, so the outside is done. Now we are going to go into the inside. Let's go. have finished cleaning out the shed. So I've just pressure cleaned the walls and the floor, and then I got my wet vacuum out and finished it off. And the floor is looking awesome. Nice and clean now. So now I'm just going to go that everything is clean. I'm going to start from the outside because it's going to be dry, and we're going to put this rust converter on there. And once we have that rust converter on there, it is going to help protect it from any rust. So it's not going to look pretty, but it'll do the job. Alrighty, so we're going to just start filling in the gaps now. I've done a little bit of silicone. I'm not sure if the video captured it, but so this wall all the way up has a bit of silicone through it. And this one here has had a bit of silicone put through it as well. So we will let this dry for a bit. And once it's dry, I reckon I'll just paint the floor in there. We're one step closer. Alrighty, so now it's all dry. We're pretty much good to paint. So I've got my paintbrush. I've got my Ultra Pave, which is just a concrete paint. So we'll just start from back to front and we'll get into it. The painting's done. We just have done one coat for now, and it's looking a lot better. So now we'll seal her up, and she should be good to go. I know I didn't really achieve much today. I only have one day off work this week, so I thought at least I can get that pressure clean down. I can fix up some of the rust before I get the reinforcement braces put in. So at least now that I've only got one day off, if I can put one coat down, I can't touch it for 16 hours anyway. So I thought I'd do what I can on my one day off. So next video should be much better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.